Shih Tzu, coming to you live from Walgreens Pharmacy Store. And I have a sad situation. I'm riding around in my mommy's cart and I'm very tired. And the reason that I'm tired is because my mommy has a problem snoring. Hello, Mommy, you are a snorer. And so I told my mommy that she snored and she didn't believe me, so I decided that I would wake her up at about 3 in the morning every time she's snoring a lot. And so last night I had to wake her up starting at 3, but I woke her up like 5 times because of the snoring. And so, of course, I sleep in my mommy's bed. It's big and fluffy, and we love each other, and we love to sleep in the same bed. But the snoring is really getting out of hand, and I have nowhere else to go. So the situation was that this is what I do to wake her up. I go, ew, 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 ew. That's what I do, and it wakes her up, and then she says, "What's the matter, Sugar? Sugar, you gotta go outside. What you gotta do? You want some water?" And I said, "No. Guess what? You're snoring again." And so, she said, "You go sleepy night-night. You go back to sleepy, sleepy, sleepy." And so I go back to sleepy, she go back to sleepy, and immediately it sounds like a train is coming through the bedroom. And so this time I decided to do this one. I go, ew, 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 ew. And I go over to her face and I put my paw over her nose, and then she can't breathe. And so the snoring stops, but she gets a little mad at me. So then the third time, I got on her leg, and I went, and so that is it went on all night long. I have to tell you, horrible for Sugar. And so today I'm very sad and tired, and I think that's why Mommy's in Walgreens with me, is to get extra treats to make up for the snoring. And so, if you have any ideas for Sugar, you can put them on my site. I invite you to subscribe to the Sugar Shack channel on YouTube. See you later. This is Sugar the Shih Tzu. Bye for now.